Is your Kidde alarm beeping every 5 seconds? This usually means one of two things: low battery or end of life. A low battery chirp indicates the battery voltage has dropped, typically below 7.5 volts for 9-volt batteries. Replace the battery with a new one to solve this. However, if the alarm is about 10 years old, the 5-second beep likely signals the end of life. According to NFPA guidelines, alarms should be replaced every 10 years due to sensor degradation. Check the manufacture date on the alarm. If it's older than 10 years, replacing the battery won't fix the problem, and you'll need a new alarm. First, try replacing the battery with a new, known good battery. This is often the simplest solution to the 5-second chirp. If the beeping continues, attempt a reset. For most Kidde models, press and hold the test reset button for 3 to 5 seconds until the alarm beeps or lights flash. For hardwired alarms, try flipping the circuit breaker off and on to reset the power. This can resolve electrical issues causing the chirp. If the alarm continues to chirp after replacing the battery and resetting, it's almost certainly at its end of life and needs to be replaced. Remember, ignoring the chirp can lead to a non-functional alarm in an emergency. Also, consider cleaning the alarm with a vacuum to remove dust, which can sometimes cause false alarms. If problems persist, consult Kidde's website or support hotline.